Welcome to Mastering Price Charts, How to Trade, a primer for analyzing order flow, market dynamics, and price mechanics in any price chart. If you master the principles in this course, your life will change in ways you could never have imagined. Understanding how to effectively analyze price and control risk is a ticket to wealth, freedom, and a lifestyle most only dream about. My name is Frank Bunn, and I'm ranked among the top group of instructors. I've been in the trading business for over 20 years. I was trained by professionals and have been coaching prospective traders and students for over a decade. I have reached over 25,000 students in 153 countries. In this industry, those who cannot do, teach, and those who cannot teach anonymously market courses about trading. Frequently, I am asked, why do I teach? The answer is simple. I began teaching because I wanted to expand my business, but I quickly learned that some of my most valuable breakthroughs in process and strategy came from working with other traders. And although I seldom learn from students directly, interaction forces me to reevaluate and reaffirm virtually every aspect of my trading business, from psychology to risk management and beyond. The great part is that I have friends all over the planet. Trading is a solitary business, and I like people. I teach probabilistic screen trading with empirically proven tools. If you are serious about mastering the science of trading, you need to learn how to trade the screen. Because if you are well capitalized and you can use price charts to make a profit, your financial worries are over as long as an exchange system remains in place. It's that simple. Ideal students for this curriculum will be aspiring traders who have completed my beginner course, Investing and Trading for Beginners, Mastering Price Charts, or an equivalent curriculum. The student should have rudimentary knowledge of price chart intervals and should be committed to learning how to trade, not just looking for some elusive holy grail or perceived profitable strategy. The student should have access to a chart tool analysis platform. This will be covered thoroughly in an upcoming lecture. I'm also interested in teaching investment advisors who require risk management tools, as well as students interested in careers as professional traders, because I'm always looking to network and expand my business. More importantly, you should not enroll in this course if you are strategy hopping and looking for a shortcut to success, because there isn't one. If your library is filled with courses about trading you have never completed. If you are looking for a system that quote-unquote works without trading knowledge. In my opinion, this is the worst possible mindset, and these students seldom achieve consistency. Or if you think the solution is out there in the form of some magical strategy or undiscovered indicator you haven't found yet, and not where it really is, with you. This course is profoundly beneficial. It furnishes an objective method for the proper analysis of price using the interval chart. With this knowledge, you will be able to correctly assess order flow and determine market sentiment. Second-guess your competitors, who, by the way, are some of the richest, smartest people in the world. And most importantly, it will provide a solid foundation upon which you will be able to place virtually any strategy. This is radically different from anything else out there. Understanding how to properly analyze price has nothing to do with strategy. It will enable you to effectively intuit market entries, trade management which effectively reduces risk, and hone key risk reduction and elimination skills. And as you will see, strategy without knowledge is a failure, just wasted time and effort. By the end of this course, you will be competent. Most students remain at the bottom of the incompetent stages until either loss or frustration takes them out of the game. Notice that regardless of what you think or how many courses you take about trading, your intuition and analysis are wrong and will remain so as long as you are incompetent. I teach traders to be competent. From there, it is only a matter of time before intuition fully develops. This course will open up a whole new world of opportunity for you. Here are just a few of the many benefits my students have received from this and similar training. You will never be blindsided by market behavior that you do not understand, and you will never have to backtest a worthless mechanical system again. Just imagine what it will be like to leave the learning curve once and for all. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? Follow me. Let's get this done.